looking for the best car under $50,000? Whether you are searching for comfort, performance or reliability, I have got you covered. In today's videos, I will break down the top cars you can buy, highlight their key factors and help you pick the one that's best for you. Stick around until the end, where I will reveal my top choice. First of all, we have Toyota Camry. The Toyota Camry has been a household name for decades and it's easy to see why. Known for its legendary reliability, the Camry is the perfect choice for families and professionals looking for a dependable ride. Its latest model takes things up a notch with sleek, modern styling and a luxurious interior. One of its standout features is the hybrid powertrain, which combines excellent fuel efficiency with impressive performance. Plus, with Toyota's safety sense suite, you are getting cutting-edge driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assets and pre-collision braking. Whether you are commuting in the city or taking a long road trip, the Camry ensures comfort, safety and peace of mind. The Toyota Camry is worth every penny. Next on the list is the Honda Accord, a car that strikes the perfect balance between performance and practicality. This mid-size sedan has long been a favorite for its refined size, spacious interior and exceptional fuel economy. The 1.5-liter turbocharged engine delivers smooth and powerful acceleration while keeping fuel consumption in check. Inside, you will find a modern tech-forward cabin with features like a touchscreen infotainment system, wireless smartphone integration and a premium audio system. The Accord also scored high on safety, with Honda sensing technology providing features like collision mitigation, braking and road departure mitigation. If you are looking for a car that offers durability, comfort and style, the Honda Accord ticks all the boxes. Mazda 6 is not just a car, it's a statement. With its stunning Kudo design language, it earns head wherever it goes. But the beauty of this car is not just skin deep. Under the hood, you will find 2.5-liter Skyactiv engine that offers impressive power and efficiency. The driving experience is enhanced by Mazda's G-Vectoring control, which ensures precise handling and a smooth ride. Step inside and you are greeted by a cabin that rivals luxury brands. Premium materials, a driver-centric layout and advanced features like Bose sound system make every drive a pleasure. If you are someone who values performance and sophistication, the Mazda 6 is for you. The Hyundai Sonata stands out with its futuristic design and high-tech features. Its bold, coupe-like silhouette and signature LED lighting made it one of the most stylish sedans in its class. The Sonata is not just about looks. It's packed with innovative features like a digital key, remote parking assist and a large touchscreen with navigation. Under the hood, you have efficient yet powerful engine options that cater to both daily commutes and long drives. Safety is another highlight, with Hyundai Smart Sense offering features like blind spot collision avoidance and rear cross traffic alert. For those who value cutting-edge design and technology, the Hyundai Sonata delivers an unmatched experience. The Kia K5 is where performance meets style. This mid-size sedan offers a turbocharged engine that provides thrilling acceleration while maintaining great fuel efficiency. Inside, the K5 feels like a high-end luxury car thanks to its high-quality material, ambient lighting and a panoramic sunroof. The infotainment system is initiative, featuring a large touchscreen, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto capability. Kia also excel in safety with features like forward collision warning, driver attention warning and smart cruise control. Backed by Kia's industry-leading warranty, the K5 offers peace of mind for years to come. If you want a car that is as exciting to drive as it is to look at, the Kia K5 should be on your list. So, which one should you choose? While all these cars are fantastic in their own way, my top pick is the Hyundai Sonata. It strikes the perfect balance between price and performance. What do you think? Let me know your favorite in the comments below. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe for more interesting content. I will see you in my next video.